So I wanted to put together this video. I wanted to thank everyone that supported the Kool Zone from day one. I still remember having those 5 subscribers, and now over 2,000 within a year. It's been an amazing journey. Lots of ups and downs, but a lot of lessons learned as well. So I just want to say thank you. I love y'all for sticking with me through all this time and watching me create these amazing waffles and so much more. Um, so much more to go, and we're only going to get better. I'm looking forward to the future and much, much more. Um, I just say this one thing before I bounce out, that if anyone is trying to get themselves going and needs a push, just don't give up. Just trust in yourself, believe, focus on your goal, and trust me, everything will fall into place. Believe me, if I could do it, you could do it. All right? Stay safe, everybody. Kool Zone out.